Hey.
YouTube, Wagwan. It's JR Blends and I'm back with another haircut tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be doing a shadow fade, and the first step is to comb out the client's hair. Now I'm going to go in with my lever halfway open and set in my first guideline. Now because this is a shadow fade, we won't be balding out the area underneath this guideline. We'll just be going from this length and gradually increasing darkness as I go up in the blend. The next step is to put my one guard on and open the lever up. And with this guard, I'm going up about half an inch above the primary line that I just set in. Now with the two guard closed, I'm just clearing up the rest of bulk on top. Keep in mind that it's not the guard that does the cutting but the actual moving blade. So you might have to bring the guard above where the hair is parted, but don't worry, you won't be cutting into the actual length on the top. With the one guard closed, I'm just using the corners to remove dark spots so that the one open can blend more into the two closed. I'm also using it to soften up that initial guideline that I set in with the lever halfway open. To get rid of that first guideline that I set in, I am carefully using the corners of my clippers with the lever closed to chip away at it, slowly blending it into the area below. And the reason that I stress to be careful is because it's really easy to take off too much hair and mess up the entire blend. And the last guard I'm going to use is the 0.5 guard closed to just go ahead and detail, removing dark spots where I don't think they should be and perfecting the blend. Now I'm just going to go ahead and start to line him up. I don't know if you could tell, but we were really chopping it up. We were having a really good conversation and didn't even realize that the camera stopped recording when I was lining up his hairline. So we missed a little bit of it, but...
Yeah, I can't talk to that, but it's good conversation, you know, so yeah, I don't even mind.
But that's the nicest thing about cut, you know. It's really, you know, barber shop where you don't know nobody with us. Yeah. It feel like a touch. Because the conversation, I will make it lively, but I will make the cut feel like you're not get a cut.
Now when it comes to using the razor, the number one tip I can give is to just stretch the skin. You can see me using my offhand, which is the hand that doesn't have the razor in it, to slightly stretch the skin and then use the razor to clear up the stubble that's remaining from when we lined them up with the trimmer. This video was recorded earlier in the year, but between school and cutting hair, I didn't get the opportunity to edit it or put out more content. I'll be trying to upload more content, so stay tuned because I have a couple videos in the chamber. That was the haircut. If you liked it, show me by leaving a like on the video. Leave any comments, questions, or suggestions down below. You can find me on TikTok and Instagram at jrblends_, that's JRBLENDZ_. Thank you for watching, and until next time, peace.